how to learn cha-cha fast. So first we start cha-cha in place. So we have step, step, then we have cha-cha-cha. So we have step, step, cha-cha-cha. We have 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, step 1, step 2, step cha-cha-cha. Now we're gonna develop this into a little bit more moving sequence. So we add rock step. We add rock, step, cha-cha-cha. We rock, step, cha-cha-cha. So rock, step back, cha-cha-cha. Rock, step front, cha-cha-cha. Now we're going to develop even more. So we're going to start moving side slightly more. So we're doing rock, step, and now we have small step, cha-cha-cha. So on the third cha, we're going to step side. We have a rock, step, cha-cha-cha to the side. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Now develop forward and back. We have a rock, step. Now instead of 3 small steps in place, we're going to slightly travel forward. Cha-cha-cha. Rock, step, run, run, run. So instead of